Fungus is any member of group of spore-producing eukaryotic organisms that include microorganisms such as yeast, mold, as well as more familiar mushrooms. Aspergillus fumigatus is a septate hyphae that branch at 45-degree acute angle. It causes invasive aspergillosis in the immunocompromised patients, especially those with the neutrophil dysfunction, as in chronic granulomatous disease, which lead to the granuloma formation. Aspergillus cause medial bone erosion of osteomeatal complex, which represent the final common pathway for drainage and ventilation of frontal, maxillary, and anterior ethmoid air cells, which is linked to the subsequent development of chronic rhinosinusitis. It leads to the formation of fungal ball, also known as aspergilloma, which is a dense collection of fungus in the form of ball that grow in the pre-existing lung cavities after tuberculosis infection. Some species of aspergillus produce aflatoxins, which is associated with hepatocellular carcinoma. Allergic bronchopulmonary aspergillosis is a hypersensitivity response to aspergillus growing in the lung mucus, which is associated with asthma, cystic fibrosis, may cause bronchiectasis, and eosinophilia. On CT scan, pulmonary aspergillosis classically manifests as halo sign and later on an air crescent sign. Treatment include the voriconazole, and it works by slowing the growth of fungi, and a second-line treatment of echinocandins that treat the fungal infection by inhibiting the growth of fungal cell wall. Candida albicans is an opportunistic pathogenic yeast which is dimorphic and forms pseudohyphae. Budding yeast is formed at 20 degrees centigrade and germ tube are thin filament that grow from spore during germination formed at 37 degrees centigrade. Candida cause superficial infection that affect the skin and mucous membrane, and systemic infection that affect the entire body. In immunocompromised, including the neonates, in steroid use, diabetes, and AIDS, it causes oral or esophageal thrush that can cause white patches in the mouth and throat and pain or discomfort in the esophagus. Vulvovaginitis is the inflammation of both vulva and vagina and is more commonly in diabetes and use of antibiotics. Disseminated candidiasis, also known as Candida septicemia, invasive candidiasis, or systemic candidiasis is a serious fungal infection that affects multiple organs. In immunocompromised, especially in the neutropenic patients, chronic mucocutaneous candidiasis causes chronic infection of skin, nails, and mucous membrane. Treatment for the candidal vulvovaginitis include the oral fluconazole and topical azoles. For oral candidiasis, treatment include the nystatins, topical azoles, or echinocandins. For esophageal or systemic candidiasis, oral fluconazole, echinocandins, or amphotericin B is the preferred treatment.